The rainforest is beautiful. Hey free woman, so no nature background today. We are in the office. Things are pretty crazy outside. The weather is just madness, seriously, like flooding, cyclone. It's affecting the solar panels, so we can't use the internet and electricity as much. It's a real challenge at the moment, but life is still really good. And I've been putting so much time into this book that I'm delivering to you on January 1st, My Naked Lunchbox. I'm so excited about it, but I have been neglecting probably a lot of other parts of my life, even my health, because I've been spending hour upon hour just putting in so much passion into this book. So I'm really excited to put it out there and to start looking after myself again better. But you know when you're just so passionate about something that you want to put your all into it. That's how I felt about this book. It's like basically, for 25 years I've been doing this beauty duty bullshit. I've been committing myself to things that I didn't need to. So it's all been this massive build up to this book, and I've channeled it into the book. It's going to be real eye opener for a lot of you. It is called My Naked Lunchbox, the most controversial cookbook ever written. So wait for it, January 1st. And January 1st, I'd also like to start a no hair removal, bare face challenge for 30 days, January 1st to the end of the month. If you are keen, come to my new Instagram page for Barefaced Warriors of Truth. That's what you are. Grow some ovaries. That's what the Instagram page is called, and I'll put a link in the description below. Come and join up. It's a new page, but it's going to be a community that is going to be nice and tight and just really dedicated warriors of truth. So just join. Come and join if you are interested. If you're not, don't join. And yeah, it's going to be great. So my life has been, as I said, quite up and down, topsy-turvy, but I'm just reflecting on 2018. It's been one of the best years of my life. I'm so glad that I have Robin in my life, and things have they've been really hard. I've been stung by a scorpion. I've had anaphylaxis from bull ants, where I nearly died from being stung by at least 3 bull ants. And I had this tar tree which left these horrible itchy wounds on my body for weeks. And I've also been stung by multiple ticks as well. So it's been really tough. It's been really, really tough, but I want to live. I don't want to just be a pretty plaything in the corner who doesn't want to break a nail. I want to fucking live. I want to feel life. I want to feel what it feels to be alive. And I talk about this also in the book. Like we're being sedated by like Starbucks and, social media. None of us are really feeling that alive feeling anymore. And that's what I'm feeling out here. And as challenging as it is, it's like good. Life should be about challenge. Or what is it about? Just collecting money, collecting stuff, shit? What's the point? So things are good. And I just wanted to emphasize how important it is to really get out there, get outside your comfort zone and experience life. Feel it. Get cuts on yourself, get wounds on yourself, feel that intensity of even, pain and discomfort and irritation. Instead of living in this kind of hospital environment where everything is perfect and, clean and exactly in order, exactly how you want it, predictable. Bring some unpredictability into your life. That's all I'm saying. But anyway, I'm going to make this quick because I've got to upload it to the internet via the internet that isn't really working. The satellite is very, very low at the moment, so I need to be quick. All right, so hang in there for January 1st. Going to make another video, let you know that the book is about to drop. Come and join the Grow Some Ovaries Instagram page. We're going to have a community there where we can support each other. Go hairless. No, not hairless. We are not hairless babies, okay? We are mature female humans So we grow body hair. It's completely fucking natural and fucking awesome. And I talk about that in the book as well. So I will see you over there.